Let's make hamburger from scratch today. This is my first time preparing hamburger from scratch, so I'm going to try it. I hope it come out well the way it should. So let's try it. So here is about 450 grams of grounded beef. I'm going to be adding about one egg yolk or one and a half egg yolk. Mix that up together, and then I'm going to start seasoning. I use meat seasoning for this. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Then go in with black pepper and black and salt. So after adding that, I'm going to wear my glove and mix that up very well. So after mixing it, if you don't have this chip, you can do the burger by on your hand. But I have it, so why not? So I decided to use it to give the shape of the meat, the hamburger meat. And I'm also going to be demonstrating how to use your hand to mold it if in case you don't have this particular instrument that I have here. So that is done. I'm going to demonstrate one with my hand. Just make a ball and start to flattening it, and give it that hamburger shape that you desire. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's food, is you're making for yourself and for your family, so you don't have to make it perfect. So I'm done. This is the look of it. So right now I've already placed my grilled pan over the heat. I love to add a little bit of oil and just use the pepper to make sure that the oil circulate the pan. But you can skip this. If you have non-stick, you can use it, but this is how I love to do my, because I usually buy burger already prepared at the supermarket, then come back and do it. But today I decided to do it from scratch. So I'm going to put that the meat on the grill and put the heat on a low heat. I would like them to cook on a low heat. Add pepper and salt and some seasoning on it. You can skip this step if you don't want to add extra salt and seasoning. Now I'm going to prepare the salt. So here is mayonnaise and here is this hot sauce. I'm going to mix that up together. You can skip adding the hot sauce, but the hot sauce give it extra taste, if you know what I mean. So mix everything, and here is the tomatoes I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to chop that slice it up just like this. Okay, you can do what for you. You can skip the tomatoes if you don't want. And then onion. This onion, I'm going to allow the onion to caramelize. I'm not going to be using fresh onion. So I love to caramelize my onions with adding a little bit of sugar in it, and cook them and allow them to caramelize, because that little sugar you add give them extra taste. If you don't add caramelized onion into your homemade burger, try it. So over the heat, the meat is cooking. I'm going to be adding some ham and allow everything to start roasting, and now I'm flipping it over. So make sure you are cooking yours on a medium low heat. Don't use high heat when you start cooking the meat. That will make them burn. Cook out, but inside they are not going to cook. So optional, I added a little bit of butter, and now I'm going to be adding the cheddar cheese that I'm going to, and put the lid on and allow that cheddar cheese to melt, like completely melt. But you don't have to allow yours to melt if you don't want it that way. Okay, this is just optional. And here is the bread. Make sure you warm up your bread, then add the mayonnaise and spicy sauce, then cabbage, which is lettuce. After adding the cabbage, you can layer yours the way you want. Then add the caramelized onion. Then add the sprinkles. I think that is what it's called, right? Yeah, sprinkles. Add it, optional, okay? Tomatoes, and then I'm going to be adding the meat with the cheddar. I love it this way. And go ahead and add the pancetta, which is ham. And go ahead and add the ketchup on top of the cover everything, and your hamburger is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare the rest of the bread, because we are family of four. So here is the final look. This was so delicious and simple to put together. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.